everyone. In our last video, we have discussed historical background of biological classification. In this video, we are going to discuss some important characteristic features of kingdom Monera. So as we know that all prokaryotic organisms are grouped under kingdom Monera. So we know that bacteria are prokaryotic in nature. So bacteria are the sole member of kingdom Monera. Most abundant organisms are the bacteria or the member of kingdom Monera family. They live in extreme harsh habitat, means spring, hot spring region, desert region or a snowy region. On their shapes, bacteria are having four different types. Means bacillus, rod shape. Here you can see a rod shape structure. Spherical, coccus means rounded structure. Vibrium, comma shaped structure, means here you can see the structure in this manner. Spirillum, spiral shape means spring like structure. As bacteria are of different varieties, so they shows extensive metabolic diversity, means they are having a diversity in their metabolic activities. So bacteria as a group shows most extensive metabolic diversity. As we have seen, kingdom Monera is the kingdom classified by R.H. Whitaker. So this is divided into two different groups, that is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archae is a Greek word which means special and Eu is a Greek word which means true. So Archaebacteria means a special bacteria which shows some special qualities or they are having some special features. So salty area, the bacteria which lives in a saline or a salty region is known as halophils. The bacteria which lives in a hot spring known as a thermoacidophils, and the bacteria which lives in a marshy or a cold region known as a methanogens. And these types of organisms just because of their different cell structure. Now we are going to see some special features of methanogens bacteria. Means as if we say that methanogens are archaebacteria, means a special bacteria, they should have some special features. So we are going to discuss about it. Methanogens. Methanogens are present in a gut of several ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes. Ruminant animals means grazing animal. Grazing animals. So we found methanogens in gut of ruminant or grazing animals such as cows and buffaloes. So we use cow dung or buffalo dung to prepare a methane gas or a biogas. So responsible for the production of methane biogas from a dung of these animals means cows and buffaloes. Now we are going to discuss about the Eubacteria. Eubacteria, the true bacteria, means they are having a true characters of bacteria. Presence of rigid cell wall, they are having rigid cell wall, as well as if they are having a flagella or they are mobile, then we call it as a mobile or motile bacteria, such as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also known as BGA, means blue-green algae, because it is photosynthetic in nature. It is autotrophic, means prepare their own food material, and contains chlorophyll A pigment. Means cyanobacteria is a bacteria which produces its own food material with the help of sunlight, and because it contains chlorophyll A pigment. Now we are going to see some characteristic features of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are unicellular organisms, colonial, means they grows in their colonies, and filamentous structure, means they are having a thread-like structure, filamentous structure. They may found in freshwater, marine water, or they may be a terrestrial algae. They are having a colonies generally surrounded by a gelatinous sheet, or we can call it as a mucilaginous sheath. They are formed in a polluted water bodies in the form of blooms. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cell called as heterocyst. Means if you are going to see the structure, the organism is having this structure, and this is a mucilaginous covering on their body surface. This is a mucilaginous covering or a gelatinous covering. Sheath. And these are the special cells which performs or fix atmospheric nitrogen called as heterocyst. Is a cell which are having a special ability to fix an atmospheric nitrogen, means they convert nitrogen into ammonia. Now conversion of nitrogen into ammonia is known as nitrogen fixation. The bacteria are Nostoc and Anabaena. The example is Nostoc and Anabaena. So we have seen here the structure of Nostoc. Chemosynthetic autotrophs. As we have seen, the organisms which prepare their own food material with the help of using chemicals present in their surrounding, known as chemosynthetic autotrophs. So they oxidize various inorganic substrates into nitrates, nitrites and ammonia to form an energy currency. Means these chemosynthetic organisms oxidize inorganic substrates and then forms energy rich currency, means ATP, adenosine triphosphates, and plays a great role in recycling the nutrients like nitrogen, sulfur, iron, phosphorus, etc. Means simple process is done by chemosynthetic organism. They utilize all the nitrogen present in atmosphere and they fix that nitrogen, as well as what they are going to do, they are going to oxidize inorganic substance and then it converts it into nitrate, nitrite and ammonia, and then they forms energy, means ATP, energy rich currency, and then they utilize it as an energy. So now in our next video we are going to discuss about the heterotrophic organisms and further descriptions of kingdom Monera. So thank you friends for watching my video.